Good evening, students. From today onwards, we will start the solutions of International Mathematics Olympiad course book. The chapter number 1 is number system. Okay. So look at question number first. I'm not wasting time in other parts. Question number first, if 2 raised to power x minus 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 2x minus 8 is equal to 36. It's very easy. So you will write this thing in this way: 2 raised to power x minus 3 into 3 raised to power 2x minus 8, and 36 you will write 2 raised to power and 3, 2 into 3, so 2 raised to power, that will be 2, and 3 raised to power this 36 will turn as 2 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 2. So 9 fourths are 36. So now you will compare now the powers. You will get x minus 3 is equals to 2. So x is equals to 5. Yes.
So I have days of time for completion, at least 2 days for 3 months.
As your this.
Okay, sir. I will submit after today, definitely, sir.
Do whatever you want.
So I just asked.
Do whatever you want. I'm not forcing to anyone. Whenever you will complete, give it to me. I said whenever you will complete, give it to me. No problem. From my side, there is no problem. So in this way, you will get x is 5, or you will solve this question with the help of options. So if you solve with the help of option, put down 2 over there in x. So 2 raised to power 2 minus 3 to 3 raised to power, that is 2 to our 4 minus 8. So it will give you 2 raised to power minus 1, 3 raised to power minus 4. It will goes down. That means it is never equal to comes 36, or 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2. So this will definitely not the answer. Now put down x is equals to 5. So 5 is there. So 2 raised to power 5 minus 3 into 3 raised to power 10 minus 8. So here we are getting exactly 2 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 2. So in this way, the answer will be 5 will be the correct option. So with the help of option, you can check. With the help of or you manually you will solve. Now question number 2. If n is equal to this value is given, then means we have to simplify these values. So to solve this question, I am taking the white screen. It must be clear over there. So let us take the value of n. So what is the value of n? N is equals to square root 5 plus 2 plus square root 5 minus 2 divided by, that is square root of 5 plus 1. Just let me check the, yeah. So this is means not as much. We will write in this way. Okay. Minus, that will be 3 times 2 root 2. The minus sign will be there in this way. So to simplify this one, I am taking this one separately, this one separately. I am solve this one separate, this first part, and this one separate. Let us take a is equals to this one, 5 plus 2 and square root of 5 minus 2 and square root of 5 plus 1, right? So square on both sides. On squaring both sides, then you will get squaring both sides. Then you will get a square, or you will write this one 5 plus 2 plus 5 minus 2 divided by square root of root 5 plus 1. This one is square. If you open this one, NR square is separate and DR square is separate. You will solve this one. So that means a plus b whole square, and here in the denominator is very easy. This square will get cancelled out, so only remaining root 5 plus 1. Because by squaring this square root will get cancelled out. So now here a plus b whole square, so root 5 plus 2 a square, b square root 5 minus 2 plus 2ab. 2 into root 5 plus 2 and root 5 minus 2. Okay, this is your means 2. A means what? This one, that means there will be also a square root sign will be there. Okay, now this 2 gets cancelled, simplified. Now this will gives you 2 root 5 if you add. Now in the next page, that you will get 2 root 5 plus 2 times square root of 5 plus 2 and square root 5 minus 2. Okay, now in here you will get root 5 plus 1, root 5 plus 1. Now look at there, these terms. So let us take 2 common outside from here. So root 5 plus, if you will take this one, this is actually in this way, root a into root b is written as root ab. So here root a, root b is written as root a into b. So I'm writing this one, root a, oh sorry, 5 is there, plus 2, and in one bracket, root 5 minus 2. Bracket closed, root 5 plus 1 simply. So 2 bracket root 5. Here you will get a plus b, a minus b. So in the square root of, what is that? A square minus b square. That means root 5 square minus 2 square. Bracket closed, divided by root 5 plus 1. So simply you will get now root 5. This is your 5 minus 4. So plus 5 minus 4, that is your 1. Simply, and root 5 plus 1. So this is your root 5 plus 1. Actually, this is equals to 1. Now you will write in the next step root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1 gets cancelled out. So this is 2. Means first term after simplification, this one, we will get the answer of a square there. So a square you will get root 2. Simply then a you will get root 2. Definitely there will be plus minus, but I am taking right now plus, because I am taking that a will take only positive signs. Now b you will take now this question is quite lengthy. B you will take the second part, this one. So square root 3 minus 2 root 2. Making square on both sides. So you will get 3 minus 2 root 2. Squaring both sides. Okay. So now b square gives you this is square root gets cancel out. So this is now root 2 plus 1 square. 3 can be written as this way, and minus 2 into a into b. Means 3 can be written as in this way. Now the formula will come. Root 2 minus 1 whole square. B square is there, then definitely b is there, root 2 minus 1 simply. Okay. So b is this one, a is this one. Now put down these values in n. So now n is equals to your actually a minus b. According that we have taken the values a is whole term. Means if we have taken a this way, this is actually a minus b. This is actually a minus b. Now putting the values of a and b, that is root 2 minus root 2 plus 1. This gets cancelled out, so n is equals to 1. That means now look at the question, which one is the correct option. That means first option is correct. N is equals to 1. It's B. I hope question number 2 is clear. Now question number 3. Express the mixed or recurring decimal expansion. This question we have already discussed in the regular classes. So how you will write 1 whole 27 upon 99 with the shortcut concept. Now if you will simplify this one, you will get 126 by 99. If you will get more simplified, so 3 are 9, 3 are 9, 4 1 4 2. Again it will cancel out by 3 11 and 1 2. No, 14. 14 upon 11 means B is the correct option. Now we will start question number 4. Now let us start next question, that is question number 4. So let me share white screen to you for question number 4. So question number 4 is given that x is equals to 5 minus 2 root 6 and we have to find x square plus 1 upon x square. Actually there is identity x plus 1 upon x square minus 2. This is the identity, you can use this one. So if the basic, if you know the concept that I have discussed in the class, maybe I have discussed, if x is this one, then 1 upon x is 5 plus 2 root 6. Use this concept, only the sign will change of the middle. By rationalizing, you can get the value 5 plus 2 root 6. It's very easy. So now put down here 5 minus 2 root 6 and plus 1 upon x, that is 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 2. This will get cancelled out. This is 10 square minus 2, that is 98. Now check that which one is the correct option. 98. Let me share the textbook screen. 98 means C part is the correct option. Now fifth part, do yourself this question. Only rationalization is important. Rationalizing by these DRs, you can get the answer. If any other things, try with other way also without rationalizing, because it was taking time. Question number 6, rationalizing factors, only the focus on this, the roots, nth roots. The same nth roots will be the correct option. Whatever, forget about these things. Whatever this nth roots, the rationalizing factor of this one will be this way. This is the shortcut trick if you want to find the answer. 6A. Now coming to the next question, 7th one. Let me see, 7th is this. So this question 7th is very easy. You can solve yourself also. Rational number, this one 19 upon minus 19 upon 2 lies between consecutive integers. So this is actually minus 9.5. So 9.5 will lies between this one. This is the correct option. It's very easy. And question number 8, and rational number between this one. So I told in maybe in the class or not. If A and B are two numbers, two irrational number, then the between both the irrational number, this is the number root AB is your irrational number, mean this is the correct option. If A and B are two irrational number or rational number between any two of the given number, irrational number will be root AB. ठीक है, और अगर A और B आपकी दो रेशनल है तो आप उनके बीच में इरेशनल आप इस प्रकार से निकाल सकते हो. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मूव ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9th. Ascending order of surds, cube root, 6th root, 9th root of 2, 3, 4 respectively. So ascending means smallest one. Which one is the small? Definitely square root 9th roots with the smallest one. So smallest is root 9th root, 6th root, and 3rd root. I think this one is the correct answer. Please check that this one is not. Check that 9th first part is correct or not. The greater number among us 17 root 2 root 17 minus root 12. Okay, greater number. That means we have to find this value around 4 point something. This is 3 point something. And this is 3 point something. This is 2 point something. So means that we have to find exact number. 17 4 3 point something. Definitely this number is more than this one. Do yourself DIY. I'm not solving this question right now. Question number 11. Because manually we have to calculate the square root. So do yourself. Question number 11 now. The value of x for put down the value of x from here. So let us take a 2. I'm taking. Just wait. Let's connect to the laptop. Charger, otherwise it will be shut down. So now class, we will start the next question from the last. I think we have finished that 10th one. So let us question number 11th. The value means we will check this one from options. Let us take a 0 or 2 will you will take if you will, or you can from anyone you can start. But which one is the most appropriate? Let us I'm taking 0 or 2 because from here I think the answers will be coming. Let us take 0. So 5 power 0 minus 1 5 1 upon 5 25 0 minus 1. It will not a 0 will you will not okay take. So let us take 2. So 5 power 10 minus 1 is equals to 25 power 1 plus 100. So 5 raised to power 9 is equals to 5 power 2. Okay, so 5 power 10 minus 1 is equals to 5 power 25 power 1 plus 100. 100 can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2. So 5 raised to power 9 minus is equals to 5 raised to power 2 plus 2 raised to power 2 into 5 power 2. From here we are not getting anything. Let us manually solve 5. This is 5 power 2x minus 1 and 5 power 2x minus 2 is equals to 100. So 5 power 2x minus 1 take common. So here 1 minus, if you will take common this one. So 5 power 2x minus 2x plus 1. So we will get cancel out. 5 power minus 1 is equals to 100. So this will give you 1 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 into 5 power 2x minus 1 is equals to 2 into 2, 2 power 2, 5 power 2. So now 5 power here you will simplify for this way 5 power 2x minus 2 because this goes up. So minus 2 and 2 raised to power 2 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 5 raised to power 2. This will get cancel out. So 2x minus 2 is equals to 2. x is equals to 4 by 2. That means simply 2. So the answer will be this one. This way the answer will coming more easier, more accurately. From the options, we are not getting clear idea, but if you are solving manually, you will get the idea. Next question number 12. X is this one, find this one and this one. So as I told, x is 2 minus root 3 in the previous question. This 1 upon x will be 2 plus root 3. Okay, you can solve this one, you will get this thing. Now x square plus 1 upon x square gives you x square x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. So this will give you x plus 1 upon x give you 4 square minus 2. Because if you add them, you will get 4 square minus 2, that means 16 minus 2, 14. So answer of this one is 14. Let me check the options with this one and this one may be the correct options. Now let us take this one because these gets cancel out. Now x square minus 1 upon x square, that will be x minus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x. A plus b, a minus b formula. X minus 1 upon x, x plus 1 upon x, what is that? That is 4. X plus 1 upon x 4, x minus 1 upon x. Let me try to find 2 minus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 minus is there. Then 2, sorry, both are minus now because x and 1 upon x. Where is 1 upon x? This one, 2 plus both are minus gets, then 2 gets cancel out, minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3. Okay, so this is minus 2 root 3 into here x plus 1 upon x 4 minus 8 root 3. That means this is the correct option, C. Now next question, next one. 13. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Every integer is rational. Of course, every natural number is integer. Yeah. Every natural number is real number. Every real number is this number. No, this is not a correct. So D is the correct option. You can go through with D. 14th. P plus Q root 5 with this one and find the value of 3 minus 2 root 5. We will simplify this one or rationalize this one, then it will be very easy. So look at here, 3 plus 2 root 5 and 3 plus 2 root 5 divided by 3 minus 2 root 5 and 3 plus 2 root 5. Rationalizing these things. So here in the numerator, 3 plus 2 root 5 whole square. And here 3 are 9 minus 4 5 are 20. Because 2 into 2 is square, 20. Minus is there definitely. So if you open this one, so 9 plus 4 5 20 minus 3 2 are 6 2 are 12 plus 12 root 5 divided by minus 11. So okay, so if you will simplify this one, this is 29 by minus 11. You will write here and plus 12 upon minus 11 root 5. If you compare this one, P and Q, P is this one and Q is this one. So now here we will get a, just wait, give me 1 minute. So P plus Q into 11 we have to find. 11 times P plus Q minus 29 upon 11 minus 12 upon 11. That means 11 is there minus 29 minus 12. So this is your 41 minus 41 11 to 11 means minus 41. B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Minus 41, right? So let us take 15th one. It's very easy. X is this one. 24 means 1.24 bar. So it will be written as 1 whole 24 upon 99 means 123 by 99. That means 1 divided by 33. 41 divided by 33. Simply, which one is the correct option? 41 divided by. Okay, this is the P and the Q. That means sum of this one is 74. If you add them in P plus Q, that will be 74. Very easily you will get. Now next one, 16th. X, Y positive, then which of the following is correct? If X is greater than Y, look at this concept. If X and Y both are positive, if X is greater than Y, when you will multiply both the sides, the inequalities will change. So if this one is there, then minus sign is there, then the inequalities will change. That means this is the correct option. No one else. Don't go with others. Because if X is greater than Y, then if you will multiply with minus sign, it will the inequality over changed. Inequality over changed, only changed S. If X is less than Y, then X greater than Y with minus sign. Minus X is greater than minus Y. Yes.
दोनों पेपर दोनों इसको 40 out of 40
Disturbance as 17th. Now X is this one, and this is very easy. 1 upon X, you will get a 1 upon X. 1 upon 1 by. I think here the sign will change. Just let think minus times 1 minus root 2. But let me solve this one because I think the sign there is problem. So 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2. So it will be 1 plus root 2 upon 1 square minus 2. That means 1 plus root 2 minus sign. That's why I confused. Not confused means I won't worried about this one, the sign was there or not. Because here 1, here 2. That's why I need to confirm the minus sign will be there. So 1 upon X, that minus X plus 1 upon X. So not X minus 1 upon X. So X is your 1 plus 1 minus root 2. And already minus sign will be there. So it will becomes plus 1 plus root 2. So 2 gets cancelled out. So X is equals to means, oh, okay, square we have to find the square, that will be 4. So this one is the 17th question. Now moving on to the next achiever section, 13th one. So the value of this one, the value of 1 upon 1 plus root 2. How we will solve this question? This is the problem. So only just a reciprocal, then you will get firstly reciprocal this one, what you will get. So 1 upon 1 plus root 2, 1 minus root 2, 1 minus root 2. So 1 minus root 2 divided by 1 minus 2, because 1 is square 1, root 2 is square 2. So minus times 1 minus root 2. That means if you will simplify this one, you will get minus times 1 minus root 2. That means here you will get minus times 2 plus times minus times 2 root 3. Just wait. 2 minus 3, root 2 minus root 3, 2 minus 3. Definitely minus sign will be there. Definitely means each of the rationalization. That means if you will simply write with the concept that 1 minus root 2 with their minus sign minus root 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 4. Okay, in this way the process going on. Then minus root 4 minus root 5 minus root 5 minus root 6 minus root 6 minus root 7 minus root 7 minus root 8. In this way, that if you now take a minus 1 minus inside, minus 1 plus root 2 minus root 2 plus root 3, here minus root 3, that means everything gets cancelled out. 3 4 5 means minus 1 is there. And if you will write this one, last step, minus root 8 minus root this one. So I think this one is remaining. Now it will become plus sign. So minus 1 plus 3. That means 2 is the correct answer. Because this will remain in my minus times minus 8 minus root 9. Because 9 is not later. That's why it will become plus sign plus root 9. It will gives you 3 minus 1 plus 3. This will give you plus 2. So this is the shortcut trick to find the value. Otherwise, this question very hard, very lengthy if you will go with manually. Now, next one. Question number 19. Regions and read the statements carefully. The product of two rational number and irrational is irrational. Two rational, irrational always. Definitely it is correct, true. Reciprocal of every rational number is irrational number. Reciprocal of every rational number is to no. It's a reciprocal of every rational number is irrational. Yeah, because suppose this is rational to 7/4 means whatever you will take rational number, its reciprocal will give you, because rational number that means p by q form. So it's q by p converted reciprocal. Again it will be means p by q form. That means both statements are true. So statement 1, both statement 1 and 2 are true. A is the correct option. I hope you get that. Now 20th next question. This is also very easy. Match the following करना है हम लोगों को. So कैसे करें? Okay, look at it. Solve this one. See that which 4x power आप common ले लो तो 1 minus आपका क्या बचेगा? That is 4 power minus 1 is equals to okay 2 power 8 2 power 3 2 power 3 into no I think 24 2 into 2 into 2 8 into no 6 2 3. That means 2 power 3 into 3. 2 power 3 into 3. So this is your 1/4 this one. So this is gives you 3/4 into 4x. So 4x minus 1 into 3 is equals to 2 power 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled out. Now this will give you 2 raised to power 2x minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so 2x minus, because powers base are same, so powers must be same. This is 3, so x is equals to 3 to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. That means x is equal to 5 by 2. Then 2x power 2x, 2 into 5 by 2 whole power 5 by 2, yani 5 or 5 by 2. This one is the correct matching. So C second part किसमें है? 30 सेकेंड और 2 में है यार, अब तो और करना पड़ेगा। दिस इज 16 power 2. 16 power 2 means 4 power 4. 4
ओके सर।
हो गया, ठीक
35 हो गए।
ठीक।
वो
4
क्या है?
power 4, हाँ
वो क्या है?
कहाँ,
ये क्या वहां पे लिखे तो वहां पे आता है?
हाँ दिखता है सर। So 4 power x plus 1 is equals to 4, यानी कि x is equal to 3, that means D3. This one, so C is the correct option. I hope you get that class. Now this chapter number 1 is over from my side of Olympiad books. Now we will, in today's online class means around 4 p.m. we will start new chapter, that is polynomial. Okay. Now here I am ending this meeting. We will I will see you at 4 p.m. Bye bye from here.